This is the standard deliverables for our studio unit under rent-to-own. So it already includes a full kitchen cabinet with countertop and overhead cabinet. So here, there's also a grease trap installed. And then you have ample space for your storage, pantry, and appliances. For the refrigerator, there's already a slot provided. Every unit has its own intercom. For example, you have your deliveries, you have visitors. It's already connected at our condo lobby. This is the standard deliverable for our bath area. So it includes your toilet, the bidet, the lavatory, and there's a cabinet also here. It also has a regular shower with provision for water heater. It also has its own exhaust fan. And then for the AC, it also has a provision for your AC. And then for the AC condenser, it's placed behind the window. This unit is around 15,000 monthly for our rent-to-own. So get your unit now.